Hello everyone, welcome back. It's another weekend. Lots of mountain biking ride this weekend. Right now it's Saturday morning and I'm with my F.A.T crew right behind me getting ready. We're at Hartland, our playground, and our ride plan today is we're going up to the trail called Legend. So it's a trail kind of behind the other side of the mountain, the ridge on the other side. So I haven't been up there, so let's see what's up there. Let's take a look. So it's a little bit of an exploration ride for me here. Yeah, so let's go. Come join me. I'm with Erwin. Little update, we cut our ride short. We didn't actually climb up with the whole group because it's going to be a really long climb, and Erwin here, this is just his second day. So instead of going up all the way up to Legend, we just went around here. We took Fun Trail and then now we're on our way home taking half of Little Face. So we need Erwin to get ready for a bigger ride. So yeah, his second day. Let's do this. Thanks, Erwin. Oh yeah! Ayan, mabato dyan, ha? Yeah! Sige, dito. Okay. Woo! Anang. Yeah! You know? Ano? Sige, tayo ka to. Kontrolado. Yan. Yeah! Ayun. Ayo. Yan. Alright, back in the parking lot. First ride of the weekend. Go home, recover, come back, see you in a bit. Okay, tayo, tayo ka. Tayo, tayo. Yan. Mas pedal lang, dandahan. Yan, see? Back here again, but we're on the other side of Mount Work because we're hitting bubble wrap again. Got a big crew, different crew, except for Rob. Rob is here back here again.
Ride number 2.
There you go. Alright, we're going up bubble wrap. We'll see you up there. Here we go. Made it up here. We're up at the bubble wrap viewpoint. One of the viewpoints. This is my favorite one here because you can see the whole mountain on the other side, and it's all green and really nice. Here we go.
Yeah, it's not a very good rollable one. Boy, that is hot, boy. Woo! Woo!
Nice. Connect. There you go. Now we got the road. Nice. Rolling. Yeah, boy. Woo. Yeah. Good. Down. Drop that there. Nice. Rolling. Yeah, drop. There you go. You got it. Kapag lang, kapag. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Woo. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, keep going to the left. Tama lang. There you go. Yeah. All right. Ride 2 of the weekend. Bubble wrap. Done. Next up, tomorrow, Mount Tzouhalem. Let's go. Let's do this. One more ride for the weekend. Third ride of the weekend. Mount Tzouhalem.
Masulak kayo ha. Masulak kayo.
Maybe. Been eyeing on this. There's the gap right there. Landing. Pretty high. I don't know, man. We gotta fly this. The usual. We are back at Double D. Fat crew. Boogie said we'll go back for Showtime later. Woo! Man, so loose. Loose. Yeah, baby. Ugly. Heading up again. Round 2. Maybe this time we'll hit that drop. See what happens.
Jump po, jump po. Oh. Yeah.
She flipped over the handlebars and then she landed on the ground.
Big time, showtime. Yeah. Showtime. Here we go. Dropping! Too small, man. Too small. Oh man. Holy shit. Did it. Holy. Big achievement today. Big achievement.
Maybe he break in the front or what?
Gap.
Boogie, man.
Maybe next
Shout
is
out, man. Shout out.
Resurrection.
Oh,
Near
gap.
parking, the gap, maybe. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. Big shout out. This is Coach Jason, man. Coach Jason. Oh yeah, without him, man, his encouragement. He's the one who towed us in. Woo! Awesome. Yeah. Have a good ride. Hey. All right, shout out. Thank you, Fat Riders. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't be possible with this guys right here. Support of the Fat Riders. Oh yeah.
Good job, man.
Yeah. Whew. All right, let's go. Great accomplishment today. Always celebrate accomplishment. Finally, showtime drop. Whew. That goes to show hard work pays off. You know, great people around you, right there. Fellow Fat Riders who support you, cheer you on, help you progress. It pays off, right? And that applies to life too, not just in mountain biking. So, adrenaline's so high right now. Awesome day today. Thanks for joining me. I think that deserves another peek of that drop. Here we go, showtime drop. Until next time, see ya.